Maybe.
Yes, can you tell us something about yourself?
Ma'am, I'm Arpit from Tripura, and my mother name is Helen Burman. She is advocate clerk in lower court, and my father name is Prabhat Burman. He is in first tier, sir.
Uh, can you describe your place to us?
Ma'am, as I belong from Tripura, ma'am, there you can see lots of community, many more communities, more than 12 or 13. This used to stay together, and the place is also religious, and the people from foreign, they used to come and visit the temples of Tripura and enjoy the nature.
Tell me about your daily routines.
Sir, I used to wake up at 5 or 5:15 and get ready for academy. After that, I come to academy to attend the classes. After that, we go for lunch on 2 p.m. and after that we again came back for to attend classes from 3 to 5 p.m. After that, we go back to our hostel, and after that we take rest for one half an hour, and after that we used to revise what we have done throughout the day.
Okay. So, is this routine new for you, or you had similar kind of routine back home?
uh, Honestly, at home, uh, I used to wake up at 8 a.m. or 9 a.m.
Are you comfortable with this routine or not?
At first, I was like, "What's this?" I was not comfortable with that, but now it's comfortable for me.
You are enjoying in place or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Achha, Arpit, are you close to your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
You share everything with your mother?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are a mama's boy.
Maybe, maybe.
Maybe. Alright. So how difficult has it been for you to leave your mother and come to this place so far off from your own place?
Actually, ma'am, I used to avoid to stay at my home. I used to stay with my friends, and mm, I used to visit my auntie's home in every month. I used to avoid to stay at home.
Okay, so you don't get very homesick.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. So tell me about your 3 to 4 strength and weakness. First, you tell me about your strength.
So I think I am a good photographer, a good editor, and a good writer. And
And your weakness?
my weaknesses are I got angry so easily, and when I am at my extreme level, I lose my control. And the last one is nothing more.
You lose your control, you lose your patience, right?
Yes, sir.
So why you choose your career in defense? Because defense is a very pleasurable job, right?
Yes, sir. I used to control my anger until the person in front of me uh, crosses his or her limits.
Which type of limits?
So like anything that I don't like, if the person is behaving something that I don't like, and he or she is repeating it again and again.
As an officer, so many difficulties in your life because so many soldiers in front of you. How to control this your patience, your anger, and so on.
Sorry, sir, I don't know the answer.
You get angry when somebody crosses their limit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you're ready to cross your limit when you're angry. How is that justified?
You are also crossing your limit, no? When you get angry, isn't it?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
do you think you realize that this is your weakness, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how are you working on it?
Ma'am, my uncle told me that if we do yoga and meditation, it may uh, it,
At present, what to do? In particular for your thing.
ma'am, sir, I only used to perform yoga only.
Every day you
Every day you will
practice.
No, 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 ma'am. At free time.
at free time.
Yes, sir.
Last yoga. Okay.
I think 2 or 3 days ago.
2 to 3 days.
Yes, sir.
Do you think only practicing yoga can manage your anger issues?
Ma'am, I don't think so, but my uncle suggested me, so
Right.
yes, ma'am.
So your strengths are very creative,
Yes, ma'am.
photography and editing and all.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
do you think it will be useful in long term when you join some defense forces or you trying to make a career in defense? So do you think it's going to help you in some way?
Maybe yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in defense also, if the army personnel are have achieved something in memory, they used to make videos or photos. So on that time, I can use my creativity.
And tell me about some other competitive exam that you have prepared for.
So I have appeared for JNV Navodaya Hostel and in matrix also in 10 boards it is also a competitive exam.
And your experience.
In JNV Navodaya I was selected but I refused to join JNV and in boards I
How do you spend your free time?
I as I lived in hostel I used to spend my free time by talking to others or go outside to park or for walk
Right?
and nothing more.
Okay, Arpit, what's your favorite food?
Ma'am, as a Bengali, my favorite food is dal bhat.
Dal bhat.
Yes,
Dal
ma'am.
bhat.
You get it
Yeah,
here also?
bhat, bhat, machi bhat.
No, no, sir. I don't like machi bhat. I like dal bhat only.
Dal bhat.
You are
Yes,
the
ma'am.
first Bengali I've heard this now.
Hmm.
Okay, so you get dal bhat here also. Do you find any difference the food you get here and the
Yes,
food you
ma'am.
used to eat?
In Bengal side, I used to take varieties of dal, but here, ma'am, I just got only the moong dal and masoor dal.
And do you get any pocket money? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how do you spend it?
It's my negative point that I spent it when I feel that I'm alone. I have to spend it by eating food, or I don't think that I spend it in wrong way. I used to provide those people who don't have something that he or she needs that by that.
Okay, so you believe in doing some sort of charity even with the little pocket money that you get.
Yes, ma'am.
You used to do it back home also.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your biggest fear? Biggest fear?
So my biggest fear is to losing my friends.
What about family?
They are also important, but I know they will never leave me.
But you're not sure about your friends.
No, ma'am, I am sure, but uh, they are so important for me
Very
because
important. You're close to your
yes,
friends.
ma'am.
Very close. Do you
Yes, ma'am.
miss them?
Yes, ma'am. I miss them a lot.
You miss them a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell us something about your best friend.
What do
Ma'am,
you like?
my best friend is Imran, and he is Muslim. And so many of my surrounding people used to say that Muslims are like that. They used to kill Hindus, but our friendship is like, um, how can I explain? So strong friendship in between us.
Doesn't matter whether he belongs to whatever religion.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the that quality about your best friend that made him your best friend?
Ma'am, he's the first person who stands in front of me when I'm in difficult situation. He used to support me in every situation, and ma'am, he's like branch of tree for me.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you
Advait.
so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.